Hello everyone, today we will start chapter 3 file handling in Python class 12. So let us see file and streams. So what is file? So a file is a collection of related data stored in computer storage for future data retrieval. That means if we need some data in the future, we can get that data from the computer storage. That is the use of a file. And what is a stream? It refers to a sequence of bytes. So stream is a sequence of bytes. So now let us see what is file handling. So file handling refers to reading and writing contents from a file. That means by file handling we can read and write a file. Now let us see how can we store data files. So data files can be stored in two ways. First is text files. So in text files are structured as a sequence of lines where each line include a sequence of characters. That means in text line there are sequence of character. In binary file, a binary file is any type of file that is not a text file. That means if a file is not a text file, then the file must be a binary file. Now let us see the difference between text files and binary files. So in text file, it stores information in ASCII characters. It stores information in ASCII character, whereas in binary files, it stores information in the same format, which the information is held in the memory. Second point is, each line of text is terminated with a special character known as EOL, end of line, in text files, whereas in binary files, no delimiters are used for a line. Third point is some internal translation takes place when this EOL character is read or written. That means when we write EOL character, that means end of line character in text file, some internal translation takes place in the program. In binary files, no translation occurs in binary files. So text files is slower than binary files, whereas binary files are faster and easier for a program to read and write the text file. Next is opening and closing a file. So first let us see what is opening. How can we open a file? So to work with a file, first of all, you have to open the file, of course. So to open a file in Python, we use open function. The open function takes two parameters. First is file name, then a mode. So open function returns a file object. So here we have written the file object, then name, then we have written the open function open. This is the file name and this is the mode. This is the syntax how can we open a file. So let us see an example. To open a file for reading, it is enough to specify the name of the file. So when we are opening a file and we just want to read it, we can only write the file name. Without writing the mode also, you will get the same answer. So as you can see here, the code above is the same as f is equal to open book doc text. Here file name is also there and mode is also there. But this two has the same function when we want only to read a file. So actually this RT refers to where R for read mode and T for text are the default values. You do not need to specify them. Now let us see closing a file. So after performing the operations, the file has to be closed. So for this, a close function is used to close a file. So here is a syntax. How can we close a file? Here file will be written, then object name dot close, then parenthesis. So this is the syntax of closing a file. So here we end this video. See you in the next video.